Hi guys, and welcome to Miss Disney Reviews. Today I'm gonna unbox this really cool candy toy set from the Marvel Ultimate Spider-Man. Now this set includes a surprise toy and stickers. So we're gonna see what we get inside. Here's Spider-Man, and there's a really cool winter background with snowflakes. And here's the back with Spider-Man in a really cool pose. So let's see what we get inside. Are you ready, my queen? Oh yeah! So here we have Spider-Man sitting in a really cool position, ready for some action. And here's a super surprise egg from Spider-Man. So it includes candy, toy, and stickers. So let's check it out. So here I have Spider-Man sitting in a really cool position, ready for some action. There's a big spider on the back. It's a pretty good size. It fits easily in your hand. There's another spider. He's wearing this mask. His hands are just above the ground. Cool. And now it's time to see what we have in the surprise egg. So first of all, here's a flyer. It says collect them all, and here is all the collection. So they're all Spider-Mans in different positions. There's Spider-Man against a wall. There's Spider-Man ready to throw out a web. So let's see what else we have. Here are some stickers. Here's some candy. And here's the final surprise. So we got a really tiny figurine. It's Spider-Man standing in a position. There's a spider on the front and a red one on the back. He's all dressed up for some action. It's really small. So guys, this is what I got today. Here's Spider-Man sitting. There's a flyer, some stickers, candy, and a really small Spider-Man figurine. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Miss Disney Reviews. Thank you.